Difu Club along Karbi Kulpo Purkimu Aputa Krungjing Sai Amai Kepa HDP Dilai Hawar Ajowang ta Thengpi ka hu chimit me Meghalaya Jantia Hills Asor West Karbi Anglong Nanglutsi Thengjang Thu Nangkang Hu Kardom Karbi Prime Tanu Pen Liberta Than Bang Thare Harmony Me Liberta Pen Arjik Tha Karbi Kulpo Amai Lepen Karbi Research Forum Sony Patirpi Ponsi 2019 Aningan Abaha Arkoi Nipai Thongkep Lepen Nipai Thongkep Rai CR Nian Nini Aparman Difu Club along Karbi Kulpo Purkimo Aputha Krungjing Sai Amai Kepa Pone Birta Non Henjo Kar News Sa Hamlo Birta Nang Pali Labang So Krungjing Sai Amai Kepa Chun Jiapan Karbi Aparman Ke Claim Pi Asong Doan Apanta Kacerap kacetudun peji apan kacunung ripatu lapen arkoi nipai ingkora trok CR nipen nipai thongkep ra CR ni angbong Karbi Anglong kangkir ke papheder ji apanta chunung ripon lo pusi Karbi Kulpo amai akonchun bang kalasi hanse lapen Karbi Research furun akonchun bang living timung atupen birta pachini Number 15 Mahamaya constituency ke parlo Mensing Taro lapen kachuri rongpi arong araratun Dolong kabinet ajoyne aningkan kaceleng apan kisung hafar adimalong arkoi ni phai ingkora ke thom arni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Lunsing Teron dampen kelang chari dam birta pherang ke pen birta nang pali Pinpur me bangso hawar arong aratum dolong kawe ajoyne kitam ke bang apan pin an akisung chetong nang ren tilo lapen barla apor hut langet hepen hemret lapen biri bithung anta langkang lumpen kisung ta chechak nang lu bangso rong aratum Cek pen ki hop adolong pensi non puanta chehlat nang bomla bangso di malong iem teron humri dampen dolong la pen ason akenang sor asai do an kaselam piponji apan je i la pen sa atumpen kelang cari padodam Bokojan subdivision angkang mati Eastern Division Bokojan Forest Rank angkang arlo kidam tang penang arni malompen dilai HDP la pen moisu killing malompen Ingnam atheng pikang hu akele kitir lap abirta arkoi ni phai ingkora ke thom arni kar news pherang ke bogojan ben birta nang pale laso teng ben birta ke longpon dila HDP lapen moisu killing hawar malompen ajowa kijum naita hum troxi nar kep theng pikang hu atu kepon chibit me pin puta hada ke do adung arar tum pachini moisu killing along Bang pho tum phan forest department pen kelang chari dun jia phan pathiklu sida la bang pho ang bong pen idun nata hadak dodam wangve thengpi ka huatum ajo thengpi ke pon lake ajo porphai krihini pen ada porphai isimalom buda pachini HDP along VDP keton kelang atum penta thekdun long lo sida kekrema tum methang amonit saide pupen halatum chupudun nuda titi puta birta long Lasi labuson ajowang thengpi kang huatum apan langdun ding pulute forest department kedo penta kavedet abangsi mimudaglo puta ningje athela ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lang forest EM ke pangkri lapen forest atum asai ka cheklem pledet apot lasi lason bom lang pulute laso hawa thengpi thengpra kivil derji abang ke der delo Safe India Green India pukaningje pon ke amu wangvet detlo nenmalom support han birta mok jan bonik sinan
In continuation of this office notification number ADSDE 213/2013 to 2014-48 dated 12/9/2018, it is for information to all concerned that the office of the Additional Director of Sericulture Difu Karbi Anglong will hold interview YY voice for the post of grade 4 Chokidar under the Department of Sericulture as per program given below. Note the ADA will be provided by the department. The candidate should bring all their documents in original on the day of the interview. No separate call letter will be issued for interview YY voice for the post of Chokidar.
First time at DIFU, First International Trade Fair 2019 from 18 January to 30 January at DIFU Club. A huge branded and collection of handicrafts from different states of India such as Delhi, Kashmir, Ludhiana, Haryana, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Kolkata, Punjab, etc. A beautiful melamine kitchen items of Bangladesh are available here. You will get all the needful and householding accessories including food items here. There is no any fee required for entry. Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014-33731, 93652-07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Please tap in Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, one step to the world of fashion. All kind of facilities are available here such as hair spa, bleaching, makeup, pedicure and manicure, hair perming, straightening, body spa, facial, threading, waxing, etc. For more information, please contact 600-1863-460. Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, first floor, Cakes Legacy Building, Main Market, Diffu. Aturkimi Academy, Diffu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Aturkimi Academy, Diffu, Rukasan, Amlapati, Diffu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang Tharwe alang Theso alang kecu ajam tu Tharmit aduk Thelua kreng Chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dhenamu pibutat bertalong wangthulu Chinthong MSC ke parlo khirmi malom Jantia Hills Meghalaya pen nang sunsi Lathangkara atowar pen nang lutsi West Karbi Anglong neng arong adong Lat Mirleng anglong lapen Lang Meklu along Ajunar lu pupe Thengjang thu ke pon kang hu atum theng pi ke pon atowar Longle aduk jang plung anpin pusi alkoi ni phai ingkora ke thom arni kat news asa hemalong pherang ke pen birta nang pale Meghalaya Jantia Hill arara tu West Karbi Anglong along akele thengjang thu arong nangkang hulong pa phe forest asai ke atum asai ka chiklem kle upboard pusi Meghalaya adui hoi ke do arara tu pet akoi pipot labang su ke ong du at thengjang thu jong si rai kom ji pulute prapjin pen forest pet office kim nanji lapet prapjin pen karangkha asai deng nangji pusi hadak arat atum pherang ke angno ningje anpar ta chinthong arat atum Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM tuliram rong hang lapen ia prodip rong pi atum pen thengjang tu kanghu kepang ton serak jiaphan sai dengpon poposi ka ongding arat atum pen aning che patherenti thengpi kana hok adimalong an pherang ke lapen tv arong amikala tum ka homridam ateng ke prapjin pen karang kha asai dengde pulote ki ongdung athengjang tu kana hok ji angring thetan lo
border area an ili gidu lahai thingpi keluksan angbong pan chini dam ue putwoi pit systeme asapsu ne arjun long hapu umpoeng site ahinta asapsu lason akhotena mate lason kiman dupu lasi pini ladak itum lat merleng to hola umnem area along ta kiman dukok lo lasi nelhin pen abang dipudamji abang ke la kidam tang achiklu tarik January tarik 3 pho Minangan damlo hadak hawang subdivision ranks along forest department hina thu ta pudamlo kopi the silahai hai ko son mapu an alang tum bang thang ta ning joy dunde mate munthi dunde lapen ke dudun clip si ason sidu an puthot nelihin hapu police outpost saubuda along ta arju damlo IC fan pudamlo an alang tum bang ta lahai bang ke nel tum police department na thu bang chindi dunde pusi lasi lanang bong kiman la umpaweng tang holadak ilat marleng pudam nang la khangkra kidam atuar Jantia Hills ahin na thu bang la son ki khamke la forest department na hin na thu ki claim bang ke langnudak pusi nilihin pen KSU na thu kapachithang pon la pen ki pudunji lam the bang ke langnudak la pen ke chokche pusi nilihin na bang ke ka ki khamke dun
NKBA angkang arlu along ke dudun Sapapani area Baptist Fellowship Trok Kebra Trok Aphong Ningkan Esek MIP Aphan 2019 Anikan Apartment Sangti Langso Baptist Fellowship along si Kipa Doji Aphan Chisik Kidang Pon Bomlo Pusi Perangke Ananterang Bokajan Pen Birta Nang Pale Kiwang ji thang thanga chikloni phai nar cap sil cap la pen di phai cap arnia ni thoman Sapapani area Baptist Fellowship Trok Kebra Trok Aphong Ningkan Esek MIP Kipa Do Ponji Aphan Chisik Pon Bomlo Sapapani area Baptist Fellowship arlo pangrum pet home crep ria church lapen fellowship atum chingrum si laso mai pi paman ponji laso long bible athepi kiripon lake Christian lapen athe ke pangrum kero karcho anathu lake Sapapani area Baptist youth fellowship atum pen lapen laso mai pi esek thanbang mate speaker lake principal HBI Reverend James Long P lapen NKBA youth secretary Munison Terona Tumpensi Than Pondo Laso Mai Pi Aphan Non Kisi Kedang Asai Cheng Tang Pusi Bil Talong Lasi Hala Athak Kejong Arni Mai Ke Do Ponji Aphan Nangidun Ji Atum Kedam Ke Bang Akesung Kawe Det Ji Aphan Majoka Song Penta Kang Ke Pha Phedet Ji Aphan Ta Tiri Kam Amaya Tumpen Chunu Report Karbi Prime Time Lang La Pasi Kang Ton Ponila Dome Thang Me Kurwang Thu